Harbali. Harbali, I'm using the what we call that weekly chart as well. The reason to because I want to highlight what we call the recent so-called return move was completed. Return move is actually something that we have post a strong breakout move. Okay, the breakout on 27 February was followed by what we call it a pullback. So this pullback kind we call it return move, and this I see the stock is actually rebounded off from the major so-called triangle neckline pattern. So as the stock rebounded within this level, you can see there's a new high-low structure was formed, and that actually gave the indication that the uptrend is pretty much intact. So what we're expecting right now is actually a consolidation to continue, but there's a decent chance for the what we call that the uptrend to continue and start to look to re-challenging the upper resistance at 1.35 and 1.55. Meanwhile, support will be at between 105 and 112. So I think in terms of the risk to reward ratio, given the lower risk entry and potential greater reward, and backed by long-term uptrend line, I think there's a decent chance for the stock to trade higher, at least in near term. Now, the next stock will be Infotech. So the Infotech, one of the reason why we highlight because, yeah, give me a second. Let me change the setup over here. All right, the rebound on 28 March has seen the stock has created so-called a reversal move right above the 100-day moving average, and that was followed by a series of new high-low structure ever since. So you can see, and the stock also has created a new baseline above 50-day moving average. And you can see as well here the RSI also gearing up above the what we call it the 50-point mark and also long-term average line. MACD has just dipped into positive territory while trading volumes start to spike as per yesterday. So we think we expect the so-called uptrend line is set to continue with the next technical target will be at 95 cent and 106 cent, while the support will be between 82.5 cent and 85 cent. Last but not least will be Samaidin, which is the stock that we highlighted yesterday. Amirah mentioned the stock yesterday. As we mentioned yesterday, we need a so-called a breakout move above 20-day moving average to validate the what we call that the reversal pattern. After the stock showing some sort of the buying interest within the major resistance turn into support. So the resistance within 86 cent and 88.5 cent is critical because as we see now, this is the major resistance turning into support. Buying interest is actually start to pick it up, and yesterday breakout move actually indication that the long-term uptrend set to continue. So given the pickup in the overall momentum, we expect the uptrend and the new upcycle to continue to unfolding. So with the next technical target is actually pegged at 98 cent and 1.08 cent, while the support again will be at 86 cent.